This 2021 Grand Design Imagine 2670MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features sleep 6, stovetop burner, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, TV, refrigerator, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, LP detector, water heater, oven, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Imagine 2670MK is 6,845 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.